Hello, hello, and welcome back. It's been a while. How have you guys been? I hope you've all been doing well. Today we're going to be taking a little peek into the future, or the past, depending on when you're watching this video. No fragment this time, just Nike. And vengeance. This is the reverse Mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. No official set date has been confirmed yet, but there have been images floating around the web. And as you can see from what we got in our hands here, the rep boys across the pond have already started production. So it does appear like we will be seeing these sometime this year, if Travis Scott can apologize better. Just recently, he did announce he's starting a Project Heal program, so it is nice to see that he's at least trying to do something. Alright, let's get into the sneakers here. Big thanks to KK Kicks for sending these out so we could take a detailed look at what's to come. Since this is the same silhouette as the OG Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows, I will be looking for similar flaws. A standard Jordan 1 box in this Mocha colorway, nothing too crazy. Personally, I think these are the best looking sneakers of the three so far, because you can't really beat Mocha. Dress it up, dress it down, put it in your butt, spin it around. Also, the fragments felt more like a fragment collab with Travis Scott's name kind of just pasted on there, while these on the other hand feel more true to Travis Scott's brand. The man loves brown. As you probably already know, this colorway is just an inverted version of the original Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows released back in 2019. A couple differences on these are the cream colored swoosh instead of the pure white, and the white leather panels using a tumbled leather rather than a suede. Same details, they just swapped the primary colors of the sneakers. Let's start things off at the toe box. Since this is the Jordan 1 Low, we do have that much lower profile toe cap. Got a nice slope, the holes are looking good. Also, these use a leather that's a bit thicker than the leather on the fragments. Those felt more smooth and premium, and these feel a bit more sturdy, but still soft. Yeah, I think the thicker tumbled white leather works really well with this colorway. The stitching all around the shoe looks near perfect. I don't see any alignment issues, or any loose ends. Nice. Moving to the backward swoosh. That is so clean. No stencil marks, and a very clean cut. For this colorway, it looks like they're going with just a plain off-white or cream colored swoosh. I like this a lot more than what they had on the fragments. For those, it was a similar color, but on the edge, it had sort of a pinkish hue. It sent off a vibe of a certain type of skin that rhymes with door. Laces. My favorite type of laces make yet another appearance. Laced up on the shoe, same as the fragments, we have this cream colored flat waxy lace. Those are top tier laces right there. And the shoes also come with 3 other sets of laces. We have a white, brown, and a red. The waxy finish on these does rub off a bit when you switch out the laces a bunch, so if you do want to keep that waxy look, make sure to lace swap as little as possible. Here's a quick look at some of the other options. I really like the Mocha. And if you want to add a little spice, you can hit them with the red, like on the OG Travis Scott's. We have a classic nylon tongue with the red and white Nike Air tab at the top there. These also have that large Cactus Jack tab running up the side. You can't really see it when you're wearing the sneaker, but it's still a cool little detail. It's kind of just peeking over the side. At the back of the shoe, let's take a look at the embroidery on the heel tabs. On the right shoe, we got that Air Jordan Wings logo. Pretty standard for all the Jordan 1 Lows. And on the left shoe, we have the Sicko head. Both are done in this very vibrant crimson red. The embroidery isn't too thick, looking real good. I'm pretty sure this is an OG batch, so they don't really gotta do much. All the dimensions, measurements, and placement is gonna be the same as it was on the original Mocha Lows. Moving to the medial side of the shoe, we got the white swoosh there facing the correct direction this time. My gourd. The stitching on these is flawless. Anyways, just beneath the medial swoosh there, we have that glossy red Cactus Jack text. I like the contrast of all the red on these. Gives the details a nice pop. If you squint, it kind of looks like someone spilled ketchup on your shoes. Then if you squint even harder, you're racist. Boom, got him. Yup, right there, officer. He was making fun of the shape of my eyes. The outsole on these is looking like the same one used on the 2019 Mochas. We have this sail colored midsole giving the shoe a nice pre-aged vintage feel. A very popular trend right now. Will it get played out? Is it already played out? I don't know. Then sitting below the midsole, is that earthy mocha colored Jordan 1 traction. Such a good color. Ow, my back. My back hurts. Quick look at the insoles. On the right insole, we have a Travis Scott name tag from one of those label maker things that every mom seems to have. The text is mirrored though. Possibly a flaw, not too sure. I guess we'll just have to wait and see on the retails, if they ever make it to the public. And on the left insole, we just have the Cactus Jack and some Jordan branding. That is a detailed look at the possibly upcoming Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Mocha. A very nice colorway that will go with pretty much any fit. What do you guys think? Is Travis Scott's time with Nike over? Or should they release these along with all the other sneakers they had planned out? Before we leave, just wanted to give you guys a quick channel update. I've been taking an ungodly amount of L's on the sneakers app, so hasn't been too much sneaker content lately. I'm gonna be trying to do more performance reviews on this channel, because I did enjoy doing the Kobe one. Maybe I'll do the Kobe 5s or the 4s. We'll see what we have in the future. Also, big news in the sneaker world. Nike just re-upped their contract with the Kobe brand, so we will be seeing more Kobes coming out in the future. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate you guys. What am I doing? I'll see you guys in the next one.
You are watching a master.